Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rehan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. This video is about how to make a multi-bootable pen drive for Windows installation. In this method legacy and UEFI both BIOS are supported. So let's begin. Don't skip any part of this video. Because you skip, you die. First open a web browser and then search for Ventoy software. Now download this software from this website. After downloading, go to your download folder. This is a zip file, so extract the file here. Now go to the extracted folder. And then run this program. Ventoy 2 disk. As you can see, no USB pen drive is connected with my laptop. So you have to insert or plug in your pen drive. Now I have inserted my pen drive. Click on this refresh icon. My pen drive has been detected. MBR partition mode is selected by default. To check out your computer BIOS, search for system information here. As you can see, my computer supported UEFI BIOS mode. So I have to select GPT partition style for UEFI BIOS mode in this software. If your computer has legacy BIOS, you have to select MBR partition style. I am selecting MBR partition style because I'm creating this bootable pen drive for my another PC that has legacy BIOS. Now click on install. It's going to format your pen drive. Click on yes. Yes again. Bootable pen drive has been created. As you can see, the drive name has been changed to Ventoy. Now download the Windows ISO file from Microsoft official website. I have already downloaded some ISO files for saving time. Now copy Windows ISO files inside this pen drive. You can copy multiple ISO files to make this pen drive multi-bootable Windows installer. After copying, remove the pen drive from your PC and it's done. I hope you understand. Please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rehan. Signing out.